child? How can a baby be so old?
Can you write the statement?
Make it make sense.
Write it.
Yeah, I'm trying to put some logic in your head because I don't know where you're going. Are you a wife or a mother?
No.
Okay, then. You still have yet to grow up.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
Can you write your statement?
Officer, that's the only last thing you ever had.
On March 13th, 2024, 4 officers responded to a battery at a public park where 2 women each claimed to be the victim. That competing victim dynamic frames every legal issue in this footage.
Because, well, you got abs.
Calm down.
Why the fuck you care about my abs?
Calm down.
I don't care what kind of boy I'm like, because they're from very young, they're attracted. Please, stay away from me.
Calm down. Did she give you a passport up?
Yes, of course she did. She has to. I'll call my people.
Maybe I can change the name.
Let me make sure I take a picture of my face so you can't see what I see and feel. So this on camera. You want the recording? I'm after the fact.
Because you don't want to go to.
How can that child, how can a baby be so old?
Can you write the statement?
Make it make sense.
You don't write it.
Yeah, I'm trying to put some logic in your head because I don't know where you're going. Are you a wife or a mother?
No.
Okay, then. You still have yet to grow up.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
Can you write your statement?
Officer, that's the only last thing you ever had. Carry it. I'm in school for psychology. I could never be crazy. I'm upset.
All right, can we write your statement?
University. Check that out. I'm watching. I'm paying attention. I'm standing back. You got 3, 4 kids. You barely got any. Watch yourself. Collecting government checks. Running your ass through. Who is this kid's mother? That's the only thing you need to ask for, because who's raising that stupid girl? Who is kid mother? Then she makes sure she secures her child. Then she makes sure you ain't gonna take me. She snatched that child. Then walk towards me calmly, because by that time I'm already off the swing. Because I asked twice, I think, who the f is this kid child? Oh yeah, I forgot. She steps on my purse. Child steps on my wallet. Why? You want to steal your mama's money? You know how hard she works?
Are you talking to yourself or are you going to
I'm talking so they can hear. Those boys,
yeah,
so those
they're not
boys
listening.
can hear.
They're talking to the officer.
They need to.
So can we get the statement?
They need to start listening. I see where you're coming from, nigga.
All right, so you're done with your statement?
Drug dealer.
Are you done with your statement?
You don't see that? You don't see the trap house?
Are you done with your statement?
No, I'm not. If I was, I would sign it off. Thank you, Officer Valentin.
You're doing a lot of talking, not enough writing.
I can if I want to. I can talk all day and you can sit here and get your hours in.
No, we're not.
Okay then. All right. She then walked towards me. Oh, you're not going to talk to my child like that. I'm talking to you. I said, who the child is this? In your pajamas, bitch, right out of her bedroom, probably from right next to the park, being jealous of whatever she thinks is giving her a child a little piece of, I don't know, mind. Chilling, having fun in the park, like any kid should. Jealous mothers of people and the benefits. That's why they push kids sometimes. They don't care about none of that shit for real. They just want the government and the roof over their fucking head. So they'll keep and stealing kids and snatching kids and hate the next woman or man. Because this is my entitlement. Fuck give you that right. I'm God's child. And walk towards me and says, you're not. That little boy had the nerve to ask me, or is he my twin? Do you see what those music are doing to these people? I'm like, no, I'm my own twin. That's what I mean. Take them tablets, them technologies away from them.
Rose, where do you live?
Good Georgia. Both my phones. I had to run around because I'm like, oh hell no, they are not about to take both my phones. And because I'm still gonna make it home. But I'm like, whatever phone I have, I'm recording. and I'm gonna walk back home. But I need to know where they're about to head because there's only so much you guys can do at a certain time or at a speedy rate. I need to help you help me.
Do you have the last four of your social security?
Give Benson Crichton. Make sure y'all know. I got 2 attorneys.
I just need your address.
I just want y'all to know when I walk, I'm protected. I got money. Money talks, bullshit walks.
I just need your address.
Pajamas. Get her name from me. I need her name. Because you're not about to be the only one with my information. Put her name on there. I need her name on my report. I need her name on my police report. Whatever it is, I need to, as much protect. I'll go down the rabbit hole if I have to come up top. But my protection is best for me. I don't know these people.
Are you done with your statement?
I hope so. I think so. I'm waiting for all of them to come back. Age. And then this is how when I know the little boy is getting too clever. I have a son. You know what my son is with his father, respectfully, because I'm not raising the man. I did that. I raised him for a few years. Then I'm like, you know what? Your father said you're best with him. That's fine. Let me see how this shit flips. You have the right to be with your father. She hit my baby.
Yeah, but it's nothing. It's nothing like.
Whoa.
The DCF notification is not anything negative on y'all. They're gonna call y'all, ask y'all.
And then they gonna come do a walk. We don't even know.
We don't even ever.
I know, but it's part of one of our policies that we have to
I'm
have.
sorry, buddy. I done been through that shit my whole life. The DCF, buddy, it's not just for this situation. It's like any other situation too. You know, they just don't investigate.
What they close what case they open
I
it up.
gotcha.
So what we're gonna do? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna document in the report you were not at the house. That way, like they're not coming through your house. It's happening in a public place at a park. The issue is with her. She accosted the kids. Or
So if
something
I
to the
wanted
kids?
to help my kid, y'all want to call DCF basically. If I'd have just let her keep hitting my baby.
If the kids
either
weren't
way.
present
So
and
this
it was
is-
just you
If
and
the kids
her,
weren't
we
present,
wouldn't.
we wouldn't have got into it.
If it was
She
just
hit
you
my
and her,
baby.
if it's 2 adults, our policy is the department policy. Anytime there's kids present,
You done with that?
No, I'm not.
All right. Do you need an extra side? Where are you gonna write? You need another paper? We fill out the top part. You don't have to fill out the top part. I just need you to sign that here. Are you done? Just sign right there. You swear to affirm everything you said was the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I swear.
All right. Sign.
I don't have to show too much skin. I don't play with
All right,
people.
we'll take the pen. All right, grab your stuff. Just so you know, the security wants you to trespass from this property. You cannot come back to all
Which
of this property. All
So
of
I'm right
this
with the
property.
park.
You can't come back to this whole property,
who?
including the
Give me
park.
my copy.
Here's your copy. So once you leave and you need to get out, make left, you have to be out of the property, okay? You can't hang out on the sidewalk, you can't hang out in here.
Who said? So where's my citation that says I cannot be at
Security,
the
right
park? Because the
there.
park is over there. Who's the security? Show me the security because I like that park over
Security's
there.
right there
Who says I can't be at the park? Singing whatever they be listening to.
because you caused a disturbance, so they no
Oh,
longer
I
in the
did.
park.
I did.
So grab your stuff, you're trespassing, refuse to leave,
Did
you'll be
I?
subject to arrest. So you
I'm
can
showing
leave
them how
now.
they're raising children in future homes, not wives. That's my baby daddy. That's my
All right, can
daddy.
you grab your stuff so you can leave?
This the future. It's got to be women taking over. Don't trust her either. Lordy. I got a son I'm protected from men and women. No man is gonna come and tell my son he's gay and then trying to ruin his future by running him around. I got good reason. So when I see another black man, I don't care if you don't protect me, but don't come at me. 'Cause I can protect myself. I don't trust niggas with
All right,
threats.
we're not prolonging this. You're
don't have
trespassing.
to.
You start leaving the property.
Give me my.
I already gave
Wait,
you
wait,
a
wait.
copy.
Let me make sure what it says. Because I can read. Hold on. Let's read together. Bethune Drive. What is this? Bethune Drive.
This is all road.
Says who?
624 is their office. This
Who's
is
the
all
office?
of their property. 624 Bethune Drive. If you go there,
I'm
you
a
make a
neighbor.
right.
So
Right.
technically, back over there, I belong there.
No, you don't. You're trespassing
okay.
on all the property. If you have any questions,
Whose
you can call.
property?
I just told you. You could call them on the phone.
Call who?
Google Lake Man
Call who?
office 624
This
Bethune
is not
Drive.
Lake Man. Lake Man.
This is Lake Man.
Okay. Let's see who
And
the
that's
owner
Lake
is.
Man Queen Park.
Yeah.
So all of this is the property. Can you grab your stuff so you can leave? And now you'll be subject to arrest. I'm not playing with you. Grab your water bottle and start leaving. Go walk. All the way till you pass that yellow sign. Cross the sidewalk.
Actually, I'm walking back over here. Who
You're
said
trespass from there. So if I
Says
were
who?
you, Do you want to go to jail?
You're gonna go to jail if you don't leave the
If I were
property.
you, I would walk that way, go to that street, because you're trespassing like man.
Okay.
So if you want to
Now
play the
I'll
game,
be-
you'll be subject to
Now
arrest.
I'll listen. Thank you. Because sometimes I have a hard time trusting the police officers too. You know what I mean?
Have a good night.
Thank you, sir.
Because we're trying to figure it all out. We got both of them over there, but
We were sitting here fishing. The girl, my girlfriend came up here.
Okay.
She made like, ugh. See my girl, she walked off to the swing. The girl in the purple pants, she proceeded to swing. The girl in the pink, daughter came running past her. She said something foul to the little girl.
Okay.
And I can't make out what it was, but it was something serious because the little girl was like, I'm gonna tell my mama.
She looked mad already.
So
Like, she was here for a reason. Like,
She looked mad already. So she ran to her mom. Her mom came and got it. Boom. By the time she even got over there, she asked the child what was going on. She asked her, she was like, what did you say to my child?
Okay.
The girl in the purple pants walked up on her.
She got hostile.
okay.
And she was walking away.
She started walking away with her daughter.
The woman's
So she said, so she made the baby
with the purple
push
started following
the
her.
stroller, and she was like, you know what, I'm not.
Yeah, she
Because
started
now the
following
girls
her.
started following
Yeah,
her.
I heard
So
her
she
say,
walked
oh,
over.
She was like,
And
bitch, you don't know me.
You don't
She was
look-
like, you don't know what I
The
do.
purple.
The one with the purple.
With the purple,
She was following the lady with the
I'm
pink.
calling my people for you. He was like, the dude, her boyfriend, he had nothing to do. He was coming up to, just to see what was going on because at that time, the girl in the purple hadn't already.
Yeah, she was
Struck
like,
at the
she
girl
was
in the
like,
pink.
that's why you outside with
Okay.
pajamas
But
on. That's why
I'm
you
gonna let
outside
you know
with
now.
pajamas
I
on.
don't feel that the girl in the pink or the dude should be involved in anything. But that girl in that purple, she escalated all.
Did you got because the problem we're having is the girl in purple saying that she was struck first, the other one,
no.
but then the other girl said that she's claiming that girl pushed her daughter. I don't know if you saw
I
that.
could go over there. I can go over
She
there
came
and
with
she
the
knows.
camera.
Where did she push her at? Like at what
Right
point?
there by the swing.
Right.
Okay.
Then she came right here to the little girl. She was like this with her, like literally the camera like touched her
On her
face.
phone?
And she
On that second,
Okay. No, she didn't. She didn't show us.
the video.
tell her to show you the video.
harassing those people.
Yeah, and they
She
all got
was
video.
harassing those people, from, like literally like this to the little girl. All in their personal
She's
space.
on the man like, yeah, I'm
The
videotaping.
lady's like,
you
please
and all
move
that.
away from my daughter. Please move away from my daughter. And the lady was like, no, 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 no. And to the husband,
So
like,
when she pushed her, was it like a hard push?
she
or
pushed
was it
her,
a shove?
and she's with her daughter. So
yeah.
the girl with the pink is like more of a self-defense.
Right.
Because
Yeah,
you
because
over
she
here
come
all in
check
my
on her
daughter.
daughter
Like, why are
and-
you arguing with the little girl?
That's what she's saying. So, because one story is what she has, the girl in
Yeah.
purple, and then the other one saying
No,
like she was
sir.
pushed. So that's why we're trying to debate
Yes,
whether
the
she
girl
did
with
put
the
her hands
purple
on
is the one
the.
who instigated it.
Started with the-
She's
and that
one
started
who
with
was
the push of
Yes,
the.
sir.
Yes.
So regardless
the
of the
lady was trying to
yeah,
walk
purple
away,
instigated
and she
it,
kept
so-
saying stuff like she was like, "Oh, that's why you got on pajamas. That's why you got pajamas." The lady's still walking with her stroller, and the lady over here, all in her, like trying to like
Doing
get
that,
her
yeah, I
to like
see.
hit
And
her.
she walked back this way,
Yeah,
like trying
that's
to
what
go home.
we're over there
Then
now.
she like
further
pushed
down,
her.
so.
But like it's like a push to like like hit me.
Like kind of like
Come,
okay.
like,
That
come
was who did that?
The girl in
That-
purple.
The purple.
So,
that's when they got to
do you
the
think
bitch.
like the second go around when the adults were going at it was the first person you guys saw
purple.
struck was the
Purple.
purple,
It's the
and then
purple.
She had
the
sat
other girl
down.
was
That's what she was
defending.
She
like,
had
you don't
sat
know
down.
me.
She had sat
put
down.
her
The girl in purple
stuff
sat
down.
down, and she turned like
She
this.
put her stuff down. She said, "You don't know me" and stuff, and proceeded because the lady's trying to get her daughter away from the conflict.
Depending on what the victim, which we heard, wants to do with it. But if we have to back it,
That's
because
so
the other
nasty.
girl is insisting that she's the one that is a victim and that she
Oh, the
got
purple man?
yeah,
No,
purple.
the one
So
Karen.
The purple,
that's what we're
it's
trying to
because she
figure
got
out.
beat up.
Yeah, I so
She was the aggressor, but she thought she was gonna win because the little girl's a little slightly smaller than her.
Give me my police report card.
Just have a
I
seat.
need a report
Have
of
a
this
seat.
whole thing.
Yep, we'll give you a case number. Just have a seat.
Case numbers
Don't worry, ma'am. Little girl.
Hey. Hey, you wanted the case number real quick?
Thank you.
Yep. Let me get it for you real quick. You got to stop walking so I can give you the case number.
The detention was lawful. Terry versus Ohio in 1968 permits a brief stop on reasonable articulable suspicion. Officers had a reported battery, conflicting accounts, a corroborating witness, and the subject's own admission of physical involvement. That threshold was met. Whether the force used to effect that detention was lawful is a separate question. Graham versus Connor in 1989 requires objective reasonableness, weighed against the severity of the offense the threat posed, and whether the subject was resisting or fleeing. Here, a completed misdemeanor, an unarmed subject who had just signed a sworn statement walking away, not fleeing. A documented verbal command before physical contact was legally required. On trespass, officers issued valid notice under Georgia Code Section 16721. The subject challenged the property boundary. Officers identified the address and management entity when pressed adequate articulation. Once notice is delivered, the obligation to depart attaches immediately. The subject confirmed receipt in her own words. Now I will be subject to arrest. Now I will listen.
Just put your hands behind your back.
What's going on?
Stop.
Give me your hands.
What's going on?
Put your hands behind your back.
What's going on?
Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
What?
Give me your hands.
Where are you guys going?
Put your
Give me your hands.
behind your back.
Give me your hands.
Ladies, hang on. There you go. Right here.
You can put it or put it.
Just put them on. I got you. Man, stop.
Ow, my leg!
Stop.
You hit me!
Stop.
Ow!
That's why I told you to stop. I told you to stop.
Ow!
Stop. Just stop. I told you to stop.
Ow!
Stop.
I'm trying, he's hiding my leg! Ow!
Okay.
Ow!
Alright, you're gonna be detained pending investigation, okay?
Nobody's even touching your leg.
I know, but I have a messed up leg already that you're hiding!
Which is why I asked you to stop. Stop yelling. Stop yelling. You're just yelling to yell.
Ow!
Good.
Ow!
All right. Stop. Roll over on your side.
Ow!
We're gonna sit it up, okay?
Sit up.
Ow!
Nope. Just
Where's your injury on your leg at?
cross your legs.
Ow!
Is your leg actually hurt, or are you just saying?
Yes!
Where's the injury on your leg at?
My knee! Ow!
Okay, then drive.
Ow!
Okay, we have to look at. You're saying your leg's hurt.
Yes,
We have to
I
see
don't
this.
know. I think it's him that stepped on my leg.
Okay, so which leg is it? Because you're pointing at this one, and then
This one.
this one right here. So we have to
Yes.
look at it, right? Is there any? That's an old scar. Do you have anything?
That's just from bedding. No, my knee, sir.
Okay.
Ow!
So what's wrong with it?
There's no
What
mark
do you mean?
there.
What's wrong with it? I already have pain in my leg.
So you already have pain there?
Yes, and he just stepped on it. Ow.
I mean, you should just listen to him when they said
That's why we told you to stop.
I'm
So
trying
you
to.
stop and put your hands behind your back.
You didn't say that. Nobody told me to put my hands behind my back.
told you that.
Nobody told me to put my hands behind my back, sir.
Okay, I told you that. I told you that like
Madsen.
So you're gonna be detained pending investigation and have witnesses at the park who witnessed the incident take place. So now you're not free to leave. Just leave whatever's in your pocket in your pocket.
No, I need all of my stuff.
Okay, we're here.
And I need my water, cause ow.
So stop doing that. I don't know. You're doing that.
I'm trying to sit up because now this thing is behind my.
You keep reaching in your pocket. So we're
I'm not
doing that.
reaching in my pocket,
Everything?
sir. I'm trying to stand up because you're telling me I'm being detained. And why are you taking this thing that you just
You
gave
just
me?
gotta make sure you have nothing that can harm us.
Because
or
I'm not harming anyone,
Because you're
sir.
not listening. If you would listen, this would be
Okay.
completely different. But you're not listening.
Okay, I am gonna be.
So just
I am
hang out
listening.
until we get statements from the witnesses at the park because they witnessed everything that occurred. Okay, so right now you're not free.
What statement? Because the only witnesses at the park are the same people lying to me. I mean, lying on me.
Apparently there's two guys at the park, so we gotta figure that
Can
out.
you bring my belongings a bit closer, please?
Yeah, we'll grab your word cross,
my work,
your wallet
my
and
word
your-
search, my
your
wallet,
bottle.
my water bottle. That's why I don't have the energy to argue with people. The only witnesses that camera, they're all liars. The only witnesses, they can't be all the way from down here, ma'am.
But I would just do trespass after this point.
They can't be all the way down here. The witnesses are at the park. That's where everything happened. The only thing I did is follow them all the way here because so you guys know where they're going. Do you have both my cell
Yep,
phones?
they're both sitting right there. You can look at them.
In my word search, please don't dirty my book. Thank
You
you.
can see all this. Where do you live at?
15 minutes away that way. That's why I didn't want.
How did you end up over here?
I walked from home to here. I didn't want to walk that way when she asked me because I didn't want to have to pull up the GPS. I know the direction to my house.
Where's your house at? Like what neighborhood or what street?
It could be way less. It depends on.
What made you come in here though?
Because sometimes I come here. I don't like to. I'm not a party person. I party when my friends drag me out.
I'm not saying party. I'm just
So I
saying
come
why
to
you.
the park to relax, to get some fresh air, to enjoy the scenery, to be by myself, listen to my music. That's why I come to the park and do my word search puzzles. then if children or adults feel the need to speak to me, I don't have to be rude and ignore them. But nobody has the right to have their child who is not well raised with no home training.
Do you know that kid?
I don't know that child.
So how do you know all that?
Because I know that I asked where's that child mother and she stepped up. So she must be her mother. But all I know is that child who is not my child, because I wouldn't raise no child like this.
So if it's not your child, it's none of your business, right?
What is my business is the fact that I need to know who hit me and I need to make sure the police knows who just beat me up. Okay. That's why I followed them, because she beat me up. And I didn't want to really fight her back, but I'm not going to lay and die. Okay. So I tried my best to protect myself, but I did not hit her. She lunged at me and she beat me, and I stayed like this. My hands can't go forward because I'm in handcuffs.
I know.
But I went like this. She bit me in my stomach, but I was already sitting like this on the bench. I'm tall. It doesn't mean I'm out here trying to fight people.
Did you mess with her kids? Is that why she was upset?
I did not touch that child. I swear to God, I did not touch that child.
Okay.
I was literally sitting on the swing. How can I touch a child with both my hands on the swing?
Okay.
And I don't even know if that's her child. That's what I keep repeating to you guys. Do you know if that's her child? How do you know that's her child?
Because she's saying it's her child.
Okay,
and
so
the father's saying it's her
but
child.
what I do know is that's not my child. That's all I know. Excuse me?
Stand up. We're going back to the car.
Bring your legs in. Bring your legs in. Walk this way.
What about the rest of my things?
Yep, we're gonna get them. It's right there.
So I'm being detained. You guys did not read me my rights.
Stop. Just stop.
She ripped all my clothes and like whatever she
Ma'am,
did.
can you just stop for 2 seconds?
I'm trying. You guys are all over me.
That's not correct.
I think so. I would say correctly. I stand corrected.
Yeah, you're a searcher.
Just if you can just do it. Can you stop? Please. Just follow instructions. That's all you gotta do. Move your feet, please. Move your feet, please. There you go. Or just check the main pockets.
Just keep your hands. I'm trying.
Just face the car and stop moving.
Which car?
The car right in front of you. Very simple instruction. The car's right here. Just face this way.
Keep your leg down. She's good.
Walk this way. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Sit down.
Have a seat. Yep. Use the door. Push off the door.
Ow.
Yep, it's a seatbelt. We gotta put it on. There you go. Yep, you gotta slide in.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yep, your feet right there that you're not moving, just slide that back.
I'm trying, sir. There's that thing behind my back and my arms are like this.
Yep, you gotta slide in. There you go.
Ow.
Alright, now turn your body.
How? I can't.
Just turn your legs, and you'll be okay right there.
The most consequential issue is Miranda. After being handcuffed and restrained on the ground, the subject asked why her rights had not been read. Officers declined, calling the situation an investigative detention. Miranda versus Arizona in 1966 requires warnings for custodial interrogation. Stansbury versus California in 1994 holds that custody is judged objectively, not by the officer's label. A person handcuffed by multiple officers told she is not free to leave would reasonably believe herself under arrest, and statements elicited in that posture face suppression. Officer Valdez receives a B-. The investigation was methodical, policy explanations were accurate, and the trespass basis was properly articulated when challenged. However, the transition to physical restraint lacked a documented command sequence under Graham. That gap shifts the force analysis toward contested. The dismissive response to the Miranda question was both a professionalism failure and illegal exposure for the department. The assisting officers receive a C+ for applying a ground restraint to a non-threatening cooperative subject without a documented escalation sequence, and for responding to a pain complaint with commentary rather than medical acknowledgement. The subject receives a B. She invoked rights, clearly requested documentation, and complied once legal consequences were explained. The grade falls short of A because inflammatory commentary early in the encounter weakened her victim narrative and complicated neutral officer assessment. The woman in purple pants receives a C2 accounts, including an uninvolved bystander identify her as the aggressor, who pursued a retreating woman and initiated first physical contact, creating battery exposure under Georgia Code Section 16523.1. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, a clearly audible command before physical detention captured on Bodycam is the evidentiary foundation for the force that follows. If it is not on camera, courts treat it as if it did not happen. Second, calling a detention investigative does not foreclose Miranda. When physical restraint mirrors arrest handcuffs, multiple officers' explicit denial of freedom to leave courts. Apply the objective custody standard, not the officer's label. Third, for citizens, compliance does not waive the right to challenge a detention in court. Clear statements, documentation requests, and avoiding inflammatory speech protect rights without escalating the encounter. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.